What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Ew. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. For you guys that do not know, I am TonyaNicole. What's up, y'all? What's going on? I'm so happy to have each and every one of you watching me today, y'all. So we're going to get into my weekend in a little bit. I have a new subscription for you guys. I hope y'all really feel this one because it's different. It's not makeup like I normally do. So I'm going to show you guys what I got to unbox for y'all today. Are y'all ready? Well, I'm sure y'all know by the title. Duh. It is this big old confetti collection box here. Yes, y'all. I picked this up because I watched a few unboxings and I actually liked the stuff that was in this box. This is the October-November box, which I'm sure y'all have seen 100 unboxings of already, but y'all know y'all didn't see TonyaNicole ones, right? Absolutely. So guys, if you want to see what's inside of our confetti collection October-November box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite cocktail. Okay, guys. So before we even get into this video, I'm gonna let y'all know I did a live on Instagram Saturday when I was at Wine on the River in New Orleans, and my subscribers got me all the way drunk. Like, y'all, all of y'all recommendations y'all told me to try, I tried it, and guess what? Girl, I was like, oh, gone, wasted. So, yeah, thanks subscribers for that. Thanks to y'all. I couldn't film Monday, and I was just, ooh, girl, I was just too sick. But anyway, the day was beautiful. I had a great time talking with you guys on Instagram. I'm going to try to do that more often. I'm going to do Instagram sometimes and YouTube live sometimes, just so that I can get more involved with you guys and talk to you guys as I'm doing things and showing y'all my city and things that I do. So I really enjoyed that. So thanks to everybody that came on my Instagram live and spent the day with drunken TonyaNicole. I had a blast, guys. So guys, today we have a new subscription and it is the Confetti Collection box. I saw a few unboxings on this box and I thought it would be something different that we can look at and y'all could tell me y'all thoughts on this box, if y'all think I should keep it. And yeah, so this is not going to be a long video. We're going to get right on into the unboxing. Y'all know I'm going to give y'all some specs. I also want to show y'all a ring that this company, Jeulia, I think that's how you say it, sent to me. So I'm going to show y'all at the end of the video. But guys, let's get on into the specs of this box. I was going to hold it up, but y'all, that box is heavy. It's big. So guys, the Confetti Collection is a $19.99 every 2 months subscription plus $5 shipping. So my order came out to be about 24 bucks. Each box contains 8 items, and they may have some extras that's coordinated for stationary things, it's fun novelty things, and giftable things. So I thought this would be something different and fun that we could check out. And also in every box you get a surprise. So for $19, I don't think that that's a bad price for the amount of stuff that's supposed to come in this box. So I hope you all like something different from me on this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the box, if you think I should keep it. While you're at it, go on and subscribe to your girl and give me a thumbs up because you know you want to. And I want to know who is the person that's giving me this thumbs down in every video. Lord, y'all will not let me be great, right? All right. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get on with this unboxing. So guys, it came packaged like this in this big, huge box like this. And I think it was like 2 variations you can get. And I guess it was a surprise, the one that they sent to me, because I didn't even get any like email saying what I got or whatever. So yeah, we're going to be surprised together. So let's get this big baby open. Y'all ready? Oh, it's so big, girl. Ooh. Girl, look at that. You saw that throwback? Y'all saw that throwback? All right, y'all. So it comes taped up in this big bubble wrap. And this is how it looks, y'all. It's so cute, the packaging. We're going to take all this out. And, of course, they give us plenty of this shit that, oops, my bad. This stuff that y'all know I'm going to have to, I don't know if I'm going to re-gift this or throw it away. I don't know. Let's put this big old box down. Okay, my peoples. So It looks like this when I take it out of the package. It's so pretty, this pink paper with this little sticker on the front that says Confetti Collection. So let's see what we got. I don't know if this comes with a card or not. I'm not sure. So right on top, we have this little card here that says, surprise treasure hunt box. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? Oh, I do, baby. We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you. So start hunting through this box to see what they are. And they just going to say about, they would like for me to tag it and stuff. So that's the card there. I don't see no card with no prices though. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna pull right from what I see on top. So first up, we have this C.R. Gibson 43 ply beverage napkins here. These are very cute. I could definitely use these when I'm having like a little cocktail party or when I am just whatever. I could just put them around here for people to use. Or if I have a party at work to go to, I can bring these. So these are a cute little touch with the nice heart on it. And it's a peach color with like some white hearts. I like this. Next up, we have this little keg of curling ribbon here in this peachy shade as well. Very cute. They also sent over the little, what do you call these, y'all? Y'all know what they call. It's not a bow, but it's like, you know, you can stick it to the top of the gift. So they sent over this, and this is like the little spool of it if you wanted to make these, I guess, or just wrap your gift up in this. So this is a cute little touch here. We also received something that says everything in its place. This little plate here. This is very, very, very pretty. I'm gonna put this on my makeup table, and I could use this to put, I don't know what in, maybe my earrings or my jewelry that I'm using to wear for that day. So yeah, we got like a little gold and navy blue plate. I love that. Beautiful, beautiful. Also, we have, girl, a bottle opener. Yes, so y'all know when I'm popping open that wine, girl. Oh, this is very cute, guys. So when you cut it out, they have the bottle opener here and just some cute little, I don't know what you would call this, but this is so pretty. Look at that, so fancy to open up my liquor. And next up, we have this sleeping mask. Oh, I love a sleeping mask. It says, wake me when the booze cart comes around. And y'all know this is perfect for me, right? But I needed this weekend. So this is how it came, and you take it off like that. And it's got a nice gold back. And this is the front, guys. That is cute. I like this. Next up, they have this little flamingo, I guess it's like a wine bag here. This is very cute. Could put some wine in here if I'm gifting it to a friend or something. See, I like that that they give you like little gift things. I like this. I kind of, you know, this is something different that y'all didn't know about me, that I like these kind of little quirky things like that. This is cute. I will definitely be giving this to someone as a gift when I give them some wine. Definitely. Or vodka. And next up, we have this notepad here. They have notes on it, and when you open it up, it says memo paper, and there's 200 sheets in it, and this is like a refillable one. I guess you would pull this out. Look, this comes out, I think. Does it? No? Well, I don't know if it comes out. I'm having problems. So yes, this is really cute. Could put this on my desk or whatever when I'm writing my little notes, because y'all know my mind is like, girl, and I gotta write notes for everything, so this will definitely come in handy. And last but not least, they gave me some file folders, which I will probably give this away, guys, because I don't have no file cabinet. But I guess I could use it to separate all of my subscriptions. I don't know. I may just give this away. But these are very cute. They feel very sturdy. They give us these little labels here to label the top of the folder. And it has files on the front here. A few that says notes with this little bird, this little parrot on it. This one here that says list. So yes, I might be using this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, because they just open up like that. You can stick your little papers in there. So this is really, really, really cute with the cute little labels. Yeah. That was all that I got in my box for this month. We're going to do a quick recap. I'm going to give my final thoughts, and y'all, we're going to be done with this video. I know y'all missed me. I've missed y'all too. Trust me. So guys, really quick, we got these file folders here. We got this wine bag here with the little cute flamingo on it. I got a sleeping mask that says, "Wake me when the booze cart comes around," which I will be needing. We got these napkins here, 40 beverage napkins. We also got a bottle opener. So this must be like some kind of party bag, huh? We got this little plate here. We got these two like bows and box decoration, gift decorations. I don't know what you would call that. Y'all let me know down below because y'all know I don't be knowing all the names for this stuff. And we got some note cards. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items, guys, for this month. Final thoughts for this being my first box, and I kind of saw some of the reviews on it. I'm pretty happy with the products that I received. I think for $19.99, it's a decent subscription. It's a lot of stuff in here that I can use when I'm giving gifts or when I'm just jotting stuff down. You know, if I need to put this down when I'm drinking a little beverage, cover my eyes when I'm tired. I mean, so, oh, and let's not forget this bottle opener that is darling. So, I mean, I think for $19, this is a good box. I'm actually looking forward to seeing January's box because I like this kind of stuff. The files I might give away. I'm not sure yet. And this I'll probably give to my sister because she's always going to birthday parties. But yeah, I think for this month, for October, November, I told you guys it's a bi-monthly subscription for $19. I think it's a thumbs up. I really like these products, y'all, and I really will use most of them. So if I had to rate the subscription on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, just throw it away, to 5 being this box is a bomb.com, I'm going to give it, based on the price and the items that I received and the use that I'm going to get out of these products, I'm going to give it a solid 4. For this month. I really, really, really enjoyed this box, y'all. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you think about this subscription. If you think I should keep it or just do away with it. If you're not interested in seeing this, or if you are interested in seeing it, let me know in the comments down below. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to your girl. It's lit over here, y'all. It's like the bomb.com over here. I don't know what else to say. Follow me on Instagram because I will be doing some lives on there, entertaining you guys and talking with you guys. I'm also going to do lives on YouTube as well. I'm going to put the link for this subscription box down below. What else I wanted to tell y'all? I think that's it for this box here. Now I want to show you guys a little quick piece of jewelry that I received from this company. I'm going to say it's called Jeulia. I'm going to say that. I don't know. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago and they asked me if I would want to unbox some of their jewelry for you guys. And of course, I picked something and the lady told me I couldn't get that. So I told her surprise me and send me something. I gave her my ring size just in case they wanted to send me over a ring. And I think that's what she sent me. So guys, let's take a look real quick at this piece of jewelry I got from this company. So y'all know I had to take some notes because I can't remember all of the perks and the specs on all of these boxes. So I did take some notes. So really quick, they sent over, this is a jewelry company that's online. And let's just open it up and see what they sent me first. Oh, look at that, guys. It comes packaged like this. It comes with a little bag here. Also comes with some cards and Jeulia's reward points. You get $15 off of orders, $100 and more, or $50 off of $200. I'm going to show you guys the card. I'm also going to link this down below. This company also has a mystery box, which I thought was kind of interesting. It starts at $80, and for $80, you can get 2 items, and each box will contain at least 1 ring. So yeah, guys, I thought that was really cool. $80 for 2 items, $100 for 3 items, or $120 for 4 pieces of jewelry. So I think that is pretty good. So this is my little box that it came in right here. So let's open it up. Oh, Okay. So this is the ring that was sent over here. And this is the Halo Split Shank Custom Cut Sterling Silver Engagement Ring. Oh, I guess they must be giving me some kind of hint, huh? Yeah. This retails for $109 and you get free shipping with orders over $99. So yes, guys, I'm gonna take it out so we can see. They do have a 30-day return offer and also a 1-year warranty on their jewelry. So let me take this little sticker off so I can show you guys how it looks. And this is how the ring looks, guys. I hope you guys can see it. So this, like I said, is the Halo Split Shank Custom Cut Sterling Silver Engagement Ring. And this is a custom cut stone that is wrapped in double halo frames of sparkling rounded stones. Make sure y'all can see the whole thing. Ribbons of side stones complete the ring's graceful split shank. And this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I checked out their website and they have a lot of stuff. They have skeleton rings, they have birthstone rings, they have all kind of rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jewelry just for you guys to go and check out. Y'all know it's no obligation for me to buy anything, but if they send it over to me, I do want to show you guys what they send so that you guys can know what they have out there, because I've never heard of this company before. So this is how the ring looks on my hand. I like it, and I have little fingers, y'all. This is a 6.5. I like the way it looks. It's not too bulky. It's perfect, perfect, perfect for me. I absolutely love it. So she did a good job. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wear this when I want people to think that I'm engaged. That might be a little hint, hint. What y'all think? I think so. Yes, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna be like this. You get married, girl? Hell no. Okay, guys, so that was all that I have for today. I did want to show you guys this palette I got from BH Cosmetics that I found in TJ Maxx for $8.99. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. It ain't gonna take long. So this is the palette here. This is the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette here. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Oh, look at this palette. Look at that. That is, oh, let me make this. That is a gorgeous palette. 42 shades for $8.99. TJ Maxx. Yes, I had to get it. I had to. I love it. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for today. Again, if you have not done so, please subscribe to your girl. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the box that I received today. Let me know what you think about this little piece of ice that I got, boo. And that palette. I can't wait to see how BH Cosmetics blends out. I don't think I own a BH Cosmetics palette, y'all. I really don't. We'll have to check and see. But yes, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to me, please do so. Follow me on Instagram. I'm always on there. And yeah, guys, so that's all that I have, guys. Thank you again for making me drunk on Saturday, y'all. I appreciate it. And that's all that I have, my loves. I will see you guys on Friday. I love you all so much. All of the new boxes are starting to roll in. So y'all know I'm excited because I love the beginning of the month because y'all know what's coming. My Lashy box. And I have another subscription that is new for the channel. Y'all are going to be so excited for this one because I am. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is though. So yes, guys, let me know if you like this box, if you want to continue to see this unboxing on my channel. And that's all that I have. I love you all so much. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. Peace.